Are you looking for a truck that is fuel efficient yet delivers exceptional performance and reliability? Look no further than our 2023 Toyota Tundra SR5. This nice truck has been properly serviced, ensuring its longevity on the road. And with its affordable price tag, it's a steal. But that's not all. This Tundra comes with a factory warranty, giving you peace of mind while driving. With features like heated seats, rear camera, tow package, alloys with new Toyo, all-terrain tires, and an upgraded TRD Pro grille, this truck is sure to impress. And here at Canada's Huggable car dealer, we make purchasing easy with full financing options available, zero down payment, and we love trades. Don't wait any longer. Come check out our amazing Tundra today.
We'll give you a hug.